check in for my LDR family who have partners in Jamaica. It's Sunday and you probably haven't slept well all week. You've been checking your phone constantly, refreshing WhatsApp, waiting for that notification sound. I see you. I've been there this whole week. And I want to tell you something important. You did good this week. Even though you were thousands of miles away, you still showed up. You sent money, you sent phone credit, you stayed up late worrying, you checked on them, you prayed for them, you researched resources, and you shared posts. That mattered. Your presence from afar is what mattered. Don't let anyone, including yourself, tell you anything else or tell you that you didn't do enough. You did, and you are. Moving forward, recovery is a marathon. It's not a sprint, and they're going to need us for months. So pace yourself, and remember, you cannot pour from an empty cup. So this week's focus, I would like for you to 3 check-ins per day, not 50. Send money for specific needs that they mention. Taking care of your mental health too. Be patient with slow communication. Celebrate the small wins, like water is back, yay. Power is back, yay. Long distance during crisis, it's one of the hardest things, but we're built for hard things. Your relationship will survive this, I promise. Jamaica will rebuild and your person will be just fine. In the distance, you've survived it before. You'll survive it again. Rest today, recharge, and tomorrow we keep going. We're all in this together. Link in the bio if you need Jamaica resources. LDR strong, Jamaica strong. We are all in this together.